All right, gang. So, QuantView, our amazing partners that we collab with on a regular basis, they are still doing their Halloween sale. I think it ends on Halloween exactly. Um, I just want to kind of give you a rundown of what you're going to get here. So, basically, you get everything from their tiered subscriptions, okay, and I will walk you through that. Lifetime access passes, or their automated trading system called the Quant Trader for 20 to 30% off. And you get the dashboard, and that is what you're looking at right now. So, um, what you would do is just basically go to quantview.com or whatever. Uh, quantview.net. Okay. Right. So this is where you'll be. You come to dashboard right here. And then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna sign up. You're gonna put your email in, make your password, and do all this, and then um, you're gonna continue to your profile setup. Now, I I already have it. I'm blessed that they give me, professional access to it. Um, so if you end up paying for it, this is some of the stuff you're gonna get, right? You get your dashboard, so you got top stocks. That's what you're looking at right here. You have most traded options. Obviously, these are not current. You got your hottest options, and then you have your contract open interest. Let's see. You also have your block trade, like dark pool prints. And you can do filters and stuff for all of this stuff by premium and by ticker. And they have some just preset ones for you. Let's see. You got market tide, which you'll probably see me post plenty of times. It just kind of gives you an idea of like the option flow that's going on. And then you have market news. You can kind of set this up the way you like it, or you like it to look. And you can go by ticker. Options. So you got the flow feed, which is like any option that's being bought. This thing moves like a million miles an hour. Okay. When the option market's open, you got your weekly feed. So that's going to be more of you know, your equities instead of just zero day ETFs. And then you have your zero DTE feed. And then you have your unusual prints. Okay. And those are usually, whales or whatever. You have Greek exposure, the gamma exposure levels. And so I'm just going to pick Apple, right? Okay. And I'll give it a 20-point strike range. So this is the gamma exposure level. You don't understand what this means. Basically, it explains it for you right here. So understanding gamma exposure, right? Gamma exposure, or GX, measures the expected change in market maker delta, hedging flows for a 1% move in the underlying asset. Formula: GX equals gamma times open interest times spot price times 0.01. I mean, you can read through all this, right? But for Apple, I mean, it's telling you right here that the spot price is at 262.82, right? And as you move along here, you're gonna see like the strikes change. Okay, you got the puts, and all that stuff. And even down here, basically this 262 82 is numbers right here. That's your spot gamma, right? And the um, let's see, is that 120? Let's see, 120. Am I blind? Yeah. So as you move along this, right, you're gonna notice that the strike price changes. I'm sorry, not the strike price, but the spot gamma. It goes 228. It's really strange. I'm sorry. Um, anyways, well, okay. You can see it here now. Like these are the strikes prices, right? And these are your spot gammas. You can look at your top put gamma exposures, your top call gamma exposures, gamma exposure by strike price, your top gamma exposures, puts, all that stuff, and then by expiration, and then you can look literally like this. Um, it's super helpful tool once you understand how to use it. You can also do it with volume and open interest. I don't need to really go into all this right now. They do have a delta exposure one and they have the open interest, right? But then they have this option chain now that they just added. So you can look at the option chain for anything like you can on just about any other brokerage. Um, stock signals. These are, you've seen me post these. These are the same thing that we have in the uh, aggregate Discord community, the algo alerts, except there's only like 7 of those. And this actually has everything. Um, you have all signals. Okay. So day trades, swings, scalps, right? And you can do by intervals from 1 minute to 1 day. You can go long, short, or all type. You can search by ticker. It's pretty legit. You just have to understand how to read these things, right? So, for instance, this says uh, on SPY, this is a day trade on the 15-minute candle. It's saying potential short entry 6,000 this is XPX, not SPY, sorry. 6,791.68. So you want to see a 15-minute candle close below that level. Okay. And then here's your take profit targets, right? Yeah, 3 of those. There's your stop loss. It gives you an AI confidence level. That one says 33%, so that's not that high, but some of these are in the 80s, 70s, yada, yada, yada. So that's kind of how you read them, right? You're going to see a lot of 3-minute ones, 5-minute ones. Again, you can you can filter this out by ticker. You can do all that stuff. It's pretty legit. Now the market's not open right now, so but you can also do this with futures. Okay. Any ticker, whatever. Same thing. Same concept. Now, we have there's screeners. You got a stock screener. You can literally screen for whatever it is that you're looking for. And you can mess with it. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. And then you have let's see. Sorry. Crypto screener and a Forex screener. Then you have your economic calendar, right? This is pretty convenient to have. You get list view, timeline, compact, and then you have your earnings calendar. And there you go, right? Now to the cool thing. This is the Quant Trader. This is the AI uh, self-trading bot that I wanted to show you guys, okay? So I'm going to leave all those on. I'm going to have NQ, MNQ, ES, and MES all checked. I'm going to go ahead and select all time frames. I'm going to go long and short. I'm going to go open and close, and then I'm going to look at 30 days. Okay, so in the past 30 days, the quant trader, the algo, like literally the bot, and you can see it. Its P&L is about 12,513. The hottest ticker was in Q. Total trades 471 with an average win rate of per winning trade about $170. And then here's your trades right here. Now, this is not cheap, okay? But it is totally worth it if you can afford it. This is a new feature too that's pretty cool. They have their own TV channels if you want, because I mean I'm on this dashboard a lot, right? So it's pretty nice to have it, you know.
And I'm Jason Kelly.
And we're back with another season of The Deal.
We've always said 10,000 people in the
So,
center.
anyways,
We are now
just
talking about
kind of
what are the
walking
kind of
you
skills.
through all this. And let's see, you can chat with other members if you want to. You have your notification section right here, and you also have like your profile. This is mine. And there actually is a, if I go back to the main page, there was, I don't know if it's not here anymore, but there's an AI that you could ask, literally what, like, it would help you, like, whatever you want. Start a conversation, share insights. I don't think this is the AI thing. I don't know where it went. Maybe community. I don't know. Either way, it's here. Maybe he took it. Maybe they took it down for a little bit. But anyways, this is the dashboard. I use it all the time. Okay. Now, the packages that they're offering, like I said. So remember, dashboard's free regardless. It really is. It's free, but you're not gonna have access to like all the data, unfortunately, unless you pay for a plan. Now, that being said, I want to walk you through what you're looking at here. Okay. So here's your pricing plans. Now remember, there's a Halloween sale going on. Okay. And like I said, I think it's 20 to 30% off. Um, yeah, 20 to 30% off like any of these packages. Okay. Um, Now I will, and here's they can, compare the plans, right? So you have your basic, you have your advanced, and then you have your professional. Um, you get access to their Discord and all their stuff they have in there, future signals. You get access to. I remember all the plans; they're different, but I mean, this is just what you get access to per plan. Okay. And this is where you can start your free trial and then get you can get the 20 to 30% off, which, this is what you're gonna get. Basically. So the indicators, these you apply to your trading view. So like if I click this, now it's locked, right? It's locked right now, but this is what it looks like, okay? And it gives you signals. It's pretty legit, okay? Because it gives you your take profit targets like this and all that. So that's just one of many indicators. This is the Astro Oscillator. Oops. Right here. This is the oscillator, the bottom. Just kind of gives you buy and sell signals, as you can see. Now some of these are a little older. This is pinpoint liquidity, basically. Um, it basically like shows you areas of expected institutional activity, I guess, in order clusters, while simultaneously revealing high impact zones of possible reversals or breakouts. Again, you click on it, it's going to take you to trading view. It's going to show you what it looks like. So you'll get access to all of these if you buy the package. More indicators right here. This is for the basic plan. Now this is the Quantum AI with the alert hub, and this adds onto the Quantum AI. It was 20 type of technical alerts. So let's check this out. So this is one of the for the advanced plan. There you go. Yeah, so 20, 20 different technical alerts and various events of quantum AI. Some of these alerts include AI long and short alerts, AI take profit, stop loss. These allow anyone to create a full range of alerts based around the action that occurs when using quantum AI and ensure an opportunity is impossible to be missed. Um, just read through this stuff. But what I'm trying to say is, if you have the paper to do it, I would take advantage of this. It's a great tool. So again, these are all of the indicators that you get with your trading view. Now, depending on what package you get, if you get the advanced, you're going to get all of them, right? If you get the basic, you get whatever shows a basic, and then if you get the professional, you see what I'm saying. Um, so those are the indicators. I showed you the dashboard. And then so this is the quant trader. Um, this is the automated, uh, like AI bot trader thing. You can connect your broker to the trader's post and paste your account's webhook URL. This secure connection is how trade opportunities will be directly routed to your brokerage account. Simply select your trading platform and yada yada yada. Follow the instructions and do all this. Okay. And then you need to subscribe to the trading strategies, and then you receive trades autonomously. So sit back and watch as trades execute automatically in your account. You don't have to do anything; it does it for you. Okay. It uses market analysis, signal generation, automated execution, and position management. And everything you need to know to succeed. It's AI powered strategies, webhook integration, dynamic targeting, risk management, real time execution, multiple strategies, performance analysis, fully customizable. Um, no manual trading required. It does it for you. Proven track record. Okay. I showed you that already. Institutional grade technology, and I will vouch for that. Complete transparency, prop firm compatible, and risk management built in. Okay. So here's your little differences here. And you can connect your platform. So, and here's the props firms. You can stay informed with all these live alert feeds with it. So don't trade manually, trade intelligently. You can contact sales here. You can do it through a ticket, live chat support, or you can contact the sales team, technical support, business inquiries, or general questions, send them a message, whatever. But I'm going to tell you now that it's about $10,000 a one time for the AI, the quant trader. It's 10 grand, but it's a one time payment. Okay. One time payment, and that's it. And 10 grand sounds like a lot, but this thing can obviously make you that back very quickly. Now, this 10 grand uh, is increasing to 15,000 by the end of the year. Okay. So, with that being said, you get a little bit of time, um, but the price is actually going to get a little bit lower around the holidays. So, like, right now they're doing the Halloween sales, like 20% off all the high value packages, like the lifetime one or the quant trader. Um, yeah. And so anyone who purchases those like the quant trader or like the top tier, also gets a complimentary lifetime to their highest tier. So you're basically gonna get you get access to everything they offer. Okay, everything. Um, so yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys because honestly, I look, I don't promote other people's products. It's very rare for me to do so, but I've been working with these guys for almost 2 years, and their product has just gotten better and better, and it is extremely impressive, and they put a lot of work into this. Okay, so I know this is a long video. But I highly, highly recommend just checking this out. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and I can make sure to get whatever questions it is that you have answered. Okay. Other than that, yeah, that's it. So just wanted to let you know that this is happening right now. So if you have the paper for it, I would take advantage of it. Right now, they're doing, like I said, a 20% off, you know, deal for this Halloween thing. And then they're going to do another one, I think, around the holidays. But again, you get lifetime access to this stuff. It's a one-time purchase. So there you go. Let me know if you have questions.